and welcome to Happy Farms original Nati Koli. So that means to say original Nati Koli means to say organic chicken and organic egg farming. So today I want to take you to our brooding center, which is right inside. So we maintain a lot of hygiene inside. So first we have to remove the shoes. Okay, please come. So here you can see we have kept the sterilized slippers. Okay. So this is our brooding area. As you can see, we have made the separate compartments here to maintain the room temperature. Please come. I'll show you. As we can see here, it's very hot. Means we have maintained a temperature of at least 36.5 to 37 degrees. As it is raining outside today, the temperature is very cold, and you can see the 500 watt bulbs, and there you can see the automatic heater which will take the cutoff once the temperature is too high, and it has got a fan. And here all these rings what you are seeing, no, we can put at least about 350 chicks in one ring. So like this we have about 8 rings where we are going to do a brooding of 3000 chicks here. So I'll be showing you how we'll be storing them also. So this is one section. I'll show you the second section. Here this is our second section. As you can see, there you can see the temperature. Please come inside. You can see the temperature here. It is 37 degrees, which is 92 to 93 degrees Fahrenheit. So we have used the 500 watt bulb, and this is our heater which regulates the temperature. Automatic cutoff is there. As you can see, this is the automatic cutoff, and we have a fan which supplies the air, hot air, to maintain the room temperature. So already we had some initial batches which we had kept. I'll just show you very slowly. As you can see, chicks are in a very good sleep. So this is how the chicks has to be. After they eat, they need to take good rest. They need to sleep for some time. They need to take good rest, and if the temperature is good, they won't get cramped up, and the chicks' death also will be controlled. Please come. These are 21 days old chicks. They are grown very well. Come, I'll show you. Please come. This is one section where we can do 1500 brooding of the chicks in this section, and here is the second section. In this second section also we have completely covered this so that there is no air going inside, and the temperature also we have to maintain, because when it comes to brooding, temperature is very important. If you don't maintain the temperature, trust me, you're going to lose chicks. The mortality will be high. See, healthy brooding is, you need to, at least 3% of the mortality is excellent. If it is 5%, it is good. If you are losing more than 5%, then we are going somewhere wrong. Either we are losing the temperature or we have to immediately rectify that, or else you will have very, very high death rates. Please come, I'll show you this also. See, we have covered it completely. As you can see here also the rings. And here this particular what we have done is, we have used the tire. On the tire we have made this so that we put the feed on this, so that, see, initially when the chicks are new chicks, 1 day old chicks, they don't know how to eat. If we put the feeders, they don't know how to go and eat the feeder. So what we do, we put the feed on this completely. We put the feed, the chicks move around, they come, they eat, and right now we have used the water here. That is first day of the incubation. Immediately we give them the jaggery water. So here also we have the heater and the 500 watt bulb to maintain the, as you can see there, it is showing 35 degrees of room temperature. I'll show you. Okay, please come. And here is the last section. Here same way we have put the complete papers on this, and as you can see down the papers we have used the rice barn. This is from the rice we take out this thing, no waste. So that we have used. So after at least 4 to 5 days, we remove this and we leave the chicks completely on the floor. And even the litter also will be observed. So this is how we are maintaining the brooding. So I will take you in detail. Next, our chicks are arriving from the incubators, where all the egg setting and the hatchery happens. So once the chicks comes, I'll take you to the touring, how we are going to leave the chicks inside this brooding. Thank you so much for watching the video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.